Okay, here goes the super quick organic chem overview. Organic, damn it. Keep moving my window. Organic chem. Okay, to make something organic, it has to have two things. It has to have one, carbon, otherwise known as C. It has to have hydrogen, otherwise known as, wait for it, H. Okay? This is what makes something organic. That is all. Okay? If it has these two, then it's organic. That is it. Okay? So there are simple organic compounds. Guess what they have? Carbon and hydrogen. You guess what the only things they have are? Carbon and hydrogen. So, your simple ones. C, H4, C2, H6, C3. That's not right. C3, H8, and C4, H10. Names: M, E, P, B. Mike eats peanut. It's not the real names. Peanut butter. Alright? Also known as methane, ethane, propane, and finally butane. Those are the only ones that you have to remember, and you probably don't even have to for the exam. Pro tip. Past that, they are just Greek names. So if it's 5, it's penta, so it's pentane. If it's 6, it's hexa, so it's hexane. So on and so forth. 8, octa. I think octagon is octane, right? That's kind of gas. So that's it. Those are those compounds. They all have carbon and hydrogen in them to make them organic. That's basically all that you need to know. I'm looking at compounds here. You might get jammed with a diagram, and so all you'd have to do for that diagram is remember that back when we were drawing these little chains, is you have a C, and so you have another C. This is just an example. This would be how many? MEPB. This is 2 carbons, so it's E. So it's eats. Mike eats peanut butter. It's ethane. Okay. Each carbon has 4 hands. The little carbon crabs. They each have 4 hands. One of them is holding another carbon, and then any empty hands are just grabbed by hydrogen. Okay? That's as simple as these diagrams work. 1 carbon, 4 hands. Okay? No second carbon, put hydrogen on his hands. Simple as that. Voila, that's methane, that's ethane. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's do a really big, ugly, silly one. And it's going to be like, oh, name this. And you're going to be like, easy. Okay, so carbon, 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 carbon. They can stick them all weird like this, and it doesn't really make a difference. Give him all his hands. Make sure each one has 4 coming off. There we go. Now just stick carbon to all of his hands. That's as easy as this is. I mean, stick hydrogen to all of his hands. That was stupid. Stick hydrogen on all of his hands. Don't let them touch like Scrabble. Voila, now count up your hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 hydrogens. I probably should have done carbon first. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. C5H12. Guess what that is? 5. Think Greek pentaane. Because you just end stuff with ane if it's a C and an H. Okay, there you go. That's it. That's diagrams, that's how something is organic, and that's organic chemistry for basic stuff. I'm just going to leave you with some key points. Some very key points right here. Carbon, hydrogen. Okay, do you have this? Do you have this? Yeah? Yeah, you got both of them? Bam, it's organic. That's it. Okay?